Brrr, the chill in the air. Hey there, today, we're going to delve deep into a fun and commonly used exclamation in the English language. Brrr. Have you ever felt a sudden cold breeze and reacted instinctively? Well, there's a word for that reaction. Stick around to find out. Brrr is an interjection we use in English to express the feeling of cold. It's often a spontaneous reaction when someone suddenly feels chilly or cold. Think of walking into a room with the air conditioner turned way down, or stepping outside on a cold winter morning. Your immediate reaction might be to say, "Brrr," as you shiver. 1. Situation-based. Most commonly, brrr is used in situations where there is an unexpected encounter with cold. For instance, you dip your hand in cold water without realizing it and you might exclaim, "Brrr." 2. For dramatic effect. Sometimes, even if you're not actually cold, you might use brrr to emphasize how cold something sounds or feels in a hypothetical or exaggerated way. For example, when someone describes a snowstorm, even if you're sitting in a warm room, you might say, "Brrr. That sounds freezing." 3. With body language. The phrase, "brrr," is often accompanied by physical reactions such as wrapping your arms around yourself, rubbing your hands together, or shivering. These actions combined with the word can help convey the feeling of cold more effectively. Like many expressions in English, there are variations to how brrr is used. 1. Length. Sometimes people elongate it like brrr to emphasize the cold even more. 2. Tone. The tone can vary too. A playful brrr might be used among friends during a snowball fight, while a more genuine, sharp brrr might be used when someone is truly cold. So there you have it. Now you know what brrr means, when and how to use it, and its various nuances. The next time you're feeling a bit chilly, don't hesitate to drop a brrr and impress your friends with your fluency in English expressions. Stay warm and see you in the next video.